Hi, somebody wanted to see another video of this New Holland TN60, and we have a 7-foot cutter behind it now. That's the biggest cutter we sell that's available for purchase. I think around $2,300 brand new. And but Mike here's going to start it, and then we're going to kick on the cutter and then just drive it a little forward and reverse. Okay, now lift up there you go, and lower. Alright, good. Lift it up. Heavy, lift it up. Okay, and let's go reverse again. I think he wanted to hear it in reverse. Yeah, okay. Okay, then Mike's going to shut it off, and then I'm going to do a walk around. It does have that warning light. The sound buzzer goes off. It'll stop here in a little bit. You can disconnect that if you want. But here's the back of it. It does have a set of hydraulic remotes on back. Drawbar, full 3-point. Come up here by the dash area, and there's a little tear in the seat there, can be replaced, but floorboard's in good shape. There's the clutch pedal, so you can see the wear on it. It's a low hour machine. Got a full set of factory weights on front. Hood is very nice, no issues. Looks like it's been stored inside, well taken care of, as you can see. There's no scratches or dings at all in it. Excellent tires. Here's the front tires. They got real nice tread also. It's had a full service done. Got marked the dates on the filter there. Filters. Okay, we'll have you get on, Mike, and then maybe take off a little bit in road gear, just so they can hear it drive out over here. I guess it started on pretty high gear. Okay, there you have it. Give us a call. Tractor Town.